Alright, I wanted to show you guys amperage draw, but my true RMS DC amp clamp, I guess it's experiencing some RF issues because once I modulate it just goes to zero. It will just not hold, so I think RF's killing it. But I put my other voltmeter in here so I can at least show you voltage at idle. I still do have some voltage drop back here, and I think it's because of the wire size. This probably needs to be upgraded, but it's better than it was. So I'm just going to dead key. And then here's under full modulation. Hello, hello, 1111111. Hello, 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 audio, audio, hello, 11111. It's at an idle. If I kick it up to like 1500 RPM here, I don't think it changes, honestly. Hello, 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 1111111. No, see, I'll let off. Hello, 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 hello. Give it some gas. Hello, 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 11111. Might go up a tenth of a volt. So it's voltage drop on the wiring run. You know, I used what did I use in this one? That's coming out of the amp, but I think I used 4 gauge on this one. It's either 6 or 4. I'll check in a second. But still, 13.8, that's fine under modulation. I mean, here it is again at an idle. You know, we're just idling here at 700 RPM, that's it. Hello, 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 1111. Doesn't drop under that. I'm happy with that. That's fine. Let's compare that to what this shows. These things are all over the place. Hello, 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 1111. Hello, 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 1111. See, this shows you it's wrong. How can this radio be dropping down to what, 13.3? Hello, 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 111111. When I've got 8 gauge wire ran all the way to the back of the radio, and you know this doesn't draw anything. And this thing back here, you know it's drawing a lot of juice, and it's only dropping down to 14.7 and change, or 13.7 and change. For the guys that tell me I'm not running enough power to these radios, I'm sorry, you have absolutely no idea what you're talking about. But anyway, just wanted to show you guys that. That's about where I run my bass in the house. I don't push it hard, and it's working. It's better than it was. It was dropping all the way down to like, I think under 13 back there before, 12, 12.8 or something. Definitely an improvement.